Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning. So now the time is 7:31. So let's go and catch the metro in 5 minutes. The metro is in 5 minutes. So yeah, see you there. So guys, let's go and catch the metro. As you can see, going up. And here's the system on top as well. So yeah, and here we are. And the metro is in now 9:36, so 3 minutes left for to get the metro. You can see it there. Guys, as you can see, the metro is here, so let's go. Now going to Kengari bus terminal from metro.
Next station is.
So this is the outside look, and just rate me. Yesterday's vlog was better, or this vlog is better. Just comment down. If you are liking this video, just give a thumbs up. You can see the weather. One way it's sunny and one it is full cloudy. So let's see what happens next. We'll meet you at Kengari bus terminal metro station. Guys, if you like this weather, just comment on how was it. Guys, you can check this out as well, the other side of the metro. How is it? Comment down. Guys, we have reached Kengari bus terminal metro station. Now we'll get down and catch a auto to college SJB. So let's go. At 10:30 AM. In college. At 2:30 PM.
Bro, you start motivating now, bro.
Ở chả nó. Going back to home by walk to BJ Sarch from their bus to Kengari bus terminal metro station. Via bus to Kengari bus terminal metro station. Guys, what's up? Welcome back. Now I'm headed towards the Kengari bus terminal metro station. As you can see this. So look, the whole traffic out here. Look at it. How much traffic it is. So guys, look at it. You like this traffic or the above one? And this is me. Waiting for the metro to come. Metro is in like 4 minutes, so times are 4:07. 4:11 metro is there, so let's catch that metro. Actually, there are many metros. Yeah, now look at it. How good the traffic is. Actually, guys, this Bangalore traffic is so much hell out of here. That's the reason I come from metro and not from the vehicle. If you have seen my vehicle is not that in a good mood. Like, I mean to say that it's not in a good condition to come. What's your favorite bike or your dream bike? Just comment down if you have any. I have mine. There are many for me. For me, it's Kawasaki Z900. Which I heard. Where is that bike? Do you like loud exhaust sound bikes or the normal bikes? Comment down. Yeah, there it is, Kawasaki Z900. Chalo, let's zoom it. Yeah, here it is. That is it, Kawasaki Z900. The one with red helmet. No. This is it. So, that's it for now. Let's wait. Let the metro come and then we'll see you there. Guys, the metro is about to come, as you can see.
Next station is Pattanagere.
So guys, I will see you at Vivekananda metro station. You can see the outside look. How is it? Comment down, rate it out of 10. How do you like it? About to reach Vivekananda metro station. So guys, as you can see the traffic out here. Just so much traffic. How do you guys handle this traffic in Bangalore? Nice view, right? So now, I guess the ambulance is stuck out there, but they're not letting it out. I don't know why. First, let's go and get our vehicle. So let's go. Oh, my bike is getting heavier. So my vehicle is out there. I have to go there and get it. That way it's in the shelter at the end. So let's go there. I hope so there is no vehicle in front of my vehicle, or else it's going to be very difficult for me to remove it. So yeah, thankfully Bangalore traffic police, they are literally good. Let's go. Where is the vehicle? First, let me check that. Okay, today there's no one has kept it.